What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin, you're watching No Limits On channel, and today we're having a look at this microphone from Deity company, which is called VO-7U. Am I right? Yeah, correct. So let's have a look or have a listen. So today we're discussing this kit with the arm, the microphone arm, and with the microphone itself, and it sells for $200, which is pretty cheap in my opinion for this good of a product. This is a USB microphone, so you simply connect it to your laptop. Right now I'm using GarageBand to record the audio, and you can adjust the microphone position with this little arm. We have a lot of Velcro straps, so it's super convenient to use, and you have a full package for under $200. There is my cat, she's doing some sounds, so she'll be participating as well. So this microphone has two knobs. The first knob is for the gain. Right now we're using the maximum gain on the microphone itself, and I have adjusted the gain in my GarageBand software. And also this mic has a knob for headphone monitoring, so you can monitor your audio straight from this microphone. And also you have a little ring of LEDs that are RGB. You have 12 different modes. I'm not a fan of RGB lights on microphones, but if you do love them, we have an option right here. Also in the kit you will get a pop filter, this one, it's a pretty big one, and it's great that we have this in the kit. And also you can buy this microphone without this arm, you can buy it for cheaper with a little tripod. It's an option. It's a dynamic microphone with super cardioid pattern, and you can even record some ASMR content with this microphone. I'm talking really silently and really close to the mic. But also you can use this microphone a bit further away, but keep in mind that dynamic microphones are made to be really close to the sound source, to your mouth. This microphone doesn't need an external powering, so everything goes through USB-C, and in the kit we get two USB cables, USB-C to USB-C, it's around 1.5 meters, I guess, maybe 1 meter, and also USB-C to USB-A. This mic records in 24-bit and 48 kHz audio, and you have a black version of this mic and also a white version. And guys, right now put on your best headphones because it's time to test the microphone and compare it to different mics. So right now I'm wearing the little lavalier mic from Every Mic company through Rode Wireless Go, and it records straight into the camera, and you can hear that my room, my studio is pretty echoey. We have pretty bad acoustics here. So 1, 2, 3 mic check. How do you like the sound? I think it's pretty poor. Right now we have switched to the Deity microphone, or Deity, I'm not sure how to pronounce it right. I hope I do pronounce it right in Deity mode, Deity style. And right now, 1, 2, 3 mic check. How do you like the sound with this dynamic microphone right in front of my mouth, like 5 centimeters from it? And right now we're going to compare it to my Sennheiser MKE-600, also the DBX286S or X. I guess, the preamp, and also the audio interface Audient EVO 4, and those three devices combined, and I use them to basically record all of my audio, all of the voiceover and studio audio, and it costs $750 compared to this kit for $200 including the microphone arm. So let's get to the tests. And right now guys, you can hear my regular microphone setup. It's Sennheiser MKE-600 with the wind protection, and I can monitor my audio directly in GarageBand with this setup. If I want to monitor the audio with the Deity microphone with GarageBand, I cannot do this without a delay. But if you plug in your headphones directly to Deity microphone, you'll be able to listen to your audio without any delay. So right now guys, you hear Every Mic lavalier mic through Rode Wireless Go, 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. Right now you hear the Deity microphone through the USB-C to my computer, 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. And right now guys, you hear the MKE-600 from Sennheiser, 1, 2, 3 mic check, 1, 2, 3 mic check. How do you like the sound? And now guys, let's try to record some ASMR content. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now guys, a little ASMR content part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final test is for the plosive sounds like P and B. And finally guys, the plosives. Like so. So guys, what do you think of the audio quality? Please share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Is it worth paying more than triple price for the Sennheiser DBX and the Audient EVO 4 setup, or you'll be fine if you use this Deity microphone. Just share your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, to conclude, I really did enjoy this microphone. The audio quality is great. I have already listened through the audio tracks, and if you apply a little bit of equalization and some corrections for the audio, so right before this part you've been listening to this microphone without any corrections, and my daughter is going somewhere in her room, I guess. But right now you can hear this microphone with additional corrections like equalization, voice isolation, or some other stuff. And if you do apply those, it will sound even better, I'm sure. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a link to this mic in the description below. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you did enjoy this video, and the notifications bell, of course. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.